Thinking about getting into commercial solar and don't know where to start? Wattage, inverters, string sizing, it all sounds like a foreign language. Learn the essential steps from the very first customer interaction right through to the project completion. Gain the confidence from Greenwood Academy and learn the fundamentals fast. In just 20 minutes, our SAA-approved video presentation cuts through the complexity and delivers the core knowledge you need to master commercial solar basics. Our easy-to-grasp content is perfect for all skill levels, providing a solid foundation for understanding commercial solar projects up to 1 megawatt in size. Get a clear understanding of the complete commercial solar process, including customer engagement strategies, preliminary costing factors, the importance of data analysis, key aspects of site inspection, and introduction to project management. You'll gain valuable insights into each stage, empowering you to contribute effectively to successful solar installations. Once completed, you will receive 10 CPD points. This course is yours forever, accessible on any device, anytime, anywhere. As we learn, so do you. The smartest way to get a complete overview. Whether you're switching careers, starting fresh, or leveling up, this is a fantastic introduction to commercial solar fundamentals. Our SAA-approved courses break down the entire process and give you the confidence to succeed in this amazing, ever-growing industry. Hit that link now. Let's get started.